Welcome to another exciting round of Sort That 3D Shape! Woo! So, today we've got 6 fabulous 3D shapes here and we have to see if we can sort them correctly. Now, let's look at what shapes we have. Ooh, what's this one called? Rectangular prism. And this one? Triangular prism. How about this one? That's a cone. And this one? A cube. And what about this one? Ooh, that's a cylinder. And I haven't really seen this one before. I think I've seen a candle that shape, but which one do you think I could classify it as? Which shape does this one look most closely like? Does it look like a cube? No, this one's a prism. It has all flat edges. Well, I guess a cone has a rounded edge, but it doesn't have the point a cone has. Ooh, I think it's a cylinder. It's just a really wide cylinder. So I've got 2 cylinders. Awesome. Now it's time to sort that 3D shape. Let's look at our options. Is it A, 2 prisms? Do I have 2? Oh, I've actually got 3. So I know it's not A. Let's look at B. 2 prisms? No, we've got 3 prisms, silly. What about C? Do I have 3 prisms? Yes. Cube, triangular prism, and rectangular prism. Awesome. What about 1 cone? I sure do, right here. And 2 cylinders? Yep, that's it. Yes, I'm so glad I took the time to read all of my options and sort through. I think I got it. The answer is C. I think I sorted my 3D shapes.